Morning, guys. I don't know if you've seen the prayer war journals, like spiritual warfare praying journals that people have. Well, I made one. I'm sitting out here with the stray cat Shirley, who's been coming around for a couple years. Tried to let her in the house once, and she didn't like it. Meaning she came in, but I shut the door behind her, and she wasn't happy. So she likes to be outside, but we always make sure she has a good meal every day. So anyway, this is the prayer journal, and what I did was, this is just fabric that I actually got this upholstery from a furniture store. Some of them throw away like their samples and their scraps that they don't want anymore. So I took this and then I decided to make something with it, which is my prayer journal. So if you go to these furniture stores, you can always ask if they have old upholstery samples they don't want, and some of them will give them to you. But anyway, so says Prayer War Journal. Inside I have the requests that people give me. I have like one side I'll say the request, the other side I'll say the answer. So through the day I can just go through as I'm cleaning and working on my housework. I can just pray for as many things as I can. As you can see, this is getting thicker. And then when I get to the end, I can put more pages in. And it works out good. It has a little thing I have that I close it with, but it was too hard to close it while I did the video. But it just works out nice. You can just kind of carry it, slip it with me. And I have that. And then along with, if you saw me with my prayer Bible before, here's my prayer Bible. And I use code names for people, because if I lose my Bible or anything and then somebody finds it, then, it might invade somebody's privacy. So I don't like to put names in. So I'll have code names, and then I'll have, like, in here, you can see I even have a little picture of this little thing here. But I'll just, I have, like, a code name and a symbol for them, so I'll put their little symbol next to them. So I have a few things in here. I want to really fill this prayer Bible up. A lot of times I prayed, but I don't always, use the word and pray for them. But I'm trying to get a little bit better at that. So I'm going to try to use this more. But, I'll pray for people. But then it would be nice to pray scripture over them. And so that's what this is for. So basically, So basically, say I'm praying for John. I'll put, a little symbol here next to the scripture verse, and then I'll ask the Lord, whatever that scripture is over that person. And then I can even put, little tabs in them, which I have right now. I'll have in here, if I pray for Priscilla, I'll have, scripture, and I might, put little notes in here, or Dorcas, I'm praying for that. It's a code name. And then I think in here somebody else, Timothy or Tabitha or something like that. And so I'll just go through and I'll just pray for people, and I'll go to their scriptures, and I might have 20 tabs in here for Susie. You know what I mean? And then I can just say, I'm praying for Susie. I can go with this scripture, that scripture, whatever, scripture, and pray for them. There was someone else that had a beautiful prayer Bible that's on YouTube. I'm sorry, I don't know who it is. You can kind of look for that, and she had stickers that she used for each person, and that was a nice idea, and that's kind of where I got this idea from. And you'll see here, I'll have this healing for Maya, John, Tabitha. You can see the little names and stuff, and the little symbols and stuff. So it's just nice, because then if I go to pray for somebody, maybe I'm just praying for. Maybe I'm praying for Tabitha that day, and then I might have, I might include the other people even with the prayer, when I pray for healing, and I'll just quote the scripture, and, I might say, what's this one up there? It says, but unto you that fear my name shall the Son of Righteousness arise with healing in his wings, and you shall go forth and grow up as calves of the stall. So I might pray for that person. And if my information is correct, at the bottom of the robes of some of the people, I think, were tassels and stuff. You have to look this up, but people would grab the bottom of the robe of, say, maybe the Lord or something as he walked by. And they said the widow with the issue of blood, she touched him. She might have grabbed his robe. I'm not sure how she touched him, but you can just pray for people that God would heal them, and just quote scriptures over people, or here's something about let me see, I missed that what I said. Like maybe you're praying for forgiveness for someone. Oh Lord, hear. Oh Lord, forgive. So you just can kind of like find scriptures that apply to that situation, and then if you have a concordance, a Bible dictionary, a Bible encyclopedia, you can just use those too to help you find the scriptures, or Google it and like healing scriptures or something, and then you could put that down for people and then pray the word over them. So anyway, but this is my prayer Bible, my prayer journal, and there you go. If a life of prayer, learn to intercede. There's tons of Bible stuff on intercession, and you can start praying for people and make a difference. Okay, remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.